Hey everyone! Welcome back to Epic English Club. I'm Lily.
I'm Max. I'm glad to be here today.
Here, we make everyday English feel easier.
With simple words, clear examples, and natural conversations. Lily, I ran into an old friend last weekend.
Oh, really? That must have been a nice surprise.
It was. I saw him at a cafe. For a second, I just stood there.
You were happy to see him, but you didn't know how to begin.
Exactly. My mind suddenly went blank.
I know that feeling. The first few seconds can feel difficult.
Yes, but once we started talking, I felt relaxed.
Today, we're talking about meeting someone after a long time.
We'll learn how to start naturally. We'll also ask about their life.
And we'll learn how to end warmly.
Let's make those first moments easier.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Epic English Club.
Your support really helps us keep making this podcast.
All right, let's jump right in. Imagine you walk into a cafe. You see an old friend near the window.
You haven't seen each other for months, so you need a simple first sentence.
Remember this expression. It's been a while.
Use it when a lot of time has passed since you last saw someone.
It's a simple way to say, we haven't seen each other for a long time.
Hey, Daniel. It's been a while.
That would probably be my first sentence too.
Same here. It feels natural, even when I'm a little nervous.
Sometimes you want to sound a little warmer.
Maybe it's a close friend, or maybe it's someone you really missed.
Then say, it's so good to see you.
This works when you want to show real happiness.
Maya, it's so good to see you.
I'd use that with someone I really missed.
Me too. I'd probably smile before I even finish the sentence.
Now you've said hello. What usually comes next?
Most people ask how the other person has been.
This question comes up a lot. How have you been?
Ask this when you haven't seen or spoken to someone for some time.
You're asking, how has your life been recently?
It's been a while. How have you been?
The answer doesn't have to be long.
Right. I've been good is perfectly natural.
I like this question because it feels caring.
Yes. It asks about the person, not only their schedule.
Sometimes you want to hear a little more.
Then ask about their recent activities.
You'll probably use this one often. What have you been up to?
Use it when you want to know what someone has been doing lately.
So, what have you been up to?
The person can talk about a hobby, class, project, or weekend plan.
I'd probably talk about something I did over the weekend.
I'd probably mention a walk or a quiet day at home.
We spend our weekends very differently.
We do. That gives us more to talk about.
So, how have you been and what have you been up to are a little different.
Right. How have you been asks about the person's general life or feelings.
And what have you been up to asks more about recent activities.
You can even use both in the same conversation.
First, ask, how have you been? Then ask, what have you been up to?
That order feels very natural.
When someone asks, what have you been up to? Start with, I've been.
For example, I've been reading more. You could also say, I've been taking a dance class.
Another answer is, I've been playing badminton on weekends.
I like I've been because it gives you time to think.
Yes, you can begin with that and add one simple detail.
Once someone shares an update, you may want to ask one more question.
This expression works well. How's that going?
Try it after someone mentions a class, project, hobby, or plan.
It's a friendly way to ask, is it going well?
I started a painting class.
Nice. How's that going?
The answer can stay simple.
You might say pretty well. You could also say it's a little hard.
I use this question a lot when a friend starts something new.
Me too. It shows that you were listening.
Now imagine you've talked for a few minutes, but one of you needs to leave.
You don't want to end with only, okay, bye.
You want to show that you enjoyed the conversation.
You also want to say that you'd like to meet again.
To end warmly, say, "We should catch up again soon."
Here, catch up means meeting again and sharing recent news.
It was good seeing you. We should catch up again soon.
I'd be happy to hear that at the end.
Me too. It makes the goodbye feel less sudden.
And it leaves the conversation on a warm note. You can also say, "We should grab coffee sometime."
Or say, "Let's get together again soon." We've learned what to say when we run into someone after a long time.
So next time, we'll know how to start. We'll also know what to ask.
Exactly. Let's put everything together.
Now, let's practice with a short conversation.
Hey, Max. It's been a while.
Lily, it's so good to see you. How have you been?
I've been good. A little busy, but good. How about you?
I've been good too.
What have you been up to?
I joined a weekend tennis group.
Really? How's that going?
Pretty well. I'm still learning, but everyone is friendly.
That sounds like a nice way to spend the weekend.
It is. What have you been up to?
I've been walking in the park after work.
Oh, nice. How's that going?
Really well. It helps me relax after a busy day.
I should try that sometime.
Maybe we can go together.
I'd like that. We should catch up again soon.
Definitely. Let's meet next week.
Sounds good. I'll send you a message.
Perfect. It was so good to see you.
You too. Take care.
That conversation was short, but it felt warm.
Yes. They started with a friendly greeting and listened for small details.
A warm expression can help you begin.
A simple question can help you continue.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
One warm expression and one simple question can be enough.
Let's quickly review today's expressions.
It's been a while. Use it when you see someone after a long time.
It's so good to see you. Use it for a warmer greeting.
How have you been? Use it to ask how someone has been.
What have you been up to? Use it to ask about recent activities.
I've been... Use it to share your own update.
How's that going? Use it for a simple follow-up question.
We should catch up again soon. Use it for a warm ending.
This week, try one expression when you meet or message someone.
Which expression would you like to try first? Tell us in the comments.
Please like this video, subscribe to Epic English Club, and don't miss the next episode.
Your support means a lot to us. Real conversations, natural English.
See you next time. Take care.